Welcome back again to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School. Hello children. Today we will learn subject mathematics. Topic let's measure length. From your mathematics textbook, page number 58. Children, see, this is the picture of a Yash house. Yash wants to fit a study table for his room between the cupboard and the door. Yash went to the shop to select the largest possible table. He saw several tables. He asked himself, which table should I buy? So tell me children, how he can choose a largest possible table for his room? Yes, for that he has to first measure the length of the space between the cupboard and the door. But children, how he can measure? He got an idea and he used one stick to measure the length between the cupboard and the door. He put the stick on the wall starting from the cupboard and start counting the length. He put 1, 2, 3, 4 and little more, means the distance between the cupboard and the door is 4 stick and little more. Now with that stick he went to the shop and measured each table with that stick. And he got that the first table is of 2 sticks and the second table is of 3 sticks and the third table is of 4 sticks and the fourth table is of 5 sticks. So can you tell me children, which table he will choose? Yes, the third one, because these two are very small for his room and the fourth table is little bigger than the space which is having in his room, and this third table will fit to his room properly. Now children, from this example you understood that the distance from one place to another and the length of any object from one end to another is called as measure or measuring a length. Children, do you know that we can use our body part as the non-standard units of measuring length, like hand span, foot span, cubit and pace. Now we can measure a length with the help of our body parts. They are called as non-standard units. These non-standard units give a rough estimate of length as they differ from person to person. They are hand span, cubit, fingers, palm, foot span and a pace. Now we will learn about hand span. It is the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of a little finger in a stretched hand. For example, the length of the table is about 5 hand span. Now we will see cubit. It is the distance between the tip of the finger to the elbow. For example, the length of this bamboo is about 3 cubits. The next is fingers. It is a unit of distance. It is equal to the width of 4 fingers that you closely press together. For example, the length of this book is about 4-finger span. And this is palm. It is the unit of distance equal to the length of the hand from the wrist till the end of the middle finger. For example, the length of this scale is equals to 3 palm. The next one is foot span. It is the unit of the distance based on the length of the actual feet. For example, the length of this room is about 20 foot span. The next one is pace. It is the distance between two legs while walking, means one pace equal to the length between the 2 foot. For example, length of this cricket pitch is about 22 paces. Children, do you know we can also use any objects like paper clip, pencil, thread or duster? Like this, you can use any of the thing to measure length, but these all units also give a rough estimation of length as they all are in different sizes. Example, we are having different sizes of spoon at our house. It gives the different length of the same object. Now we will see some example of this concept. Here you have to use various objects to measure different things. First, we have taken a measure of pencil with the help of this matchsticks. This pencil is as long as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 matchsticks. And the next example is a spoon. This spoon, the measure of this spoon, we have measured with the help of chalks. Then how many chalks is equal to one spoon? 2. Means this spoon is as long as 2 chalks. Like that, we have measured the length of this blackboard with the help of this duster. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The blackboard is about 7 dusters long. Like that, children. They have used the length of the carom board with the help of spoons. We will start from the one end of the carom. 1, 2, 3, 4. The carom board is about 4 spoons long. Now children, you understood how to measure any object with the help of different objects. Now here, these children want to make a flower garland for their classroom door. So what you have to do, they have to measure the length of the door with the help of any object. These two girls used a thread to measure the length of the door. First she kept one side of the door and pulled it on the second side. And she measured the door length and she made a garland for his classroom door. That these all are non-standard unit of measuring because it gives the rough estimation of the length, because they all are different in sizes. We all are having different sizes body part also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.